Welcome back to my channel. My name is Devyn. Today I'll be showing you guys how I dye my hair at home with this Natural Instincts by Clairol hair color. So if you guys are interested, then just keep watching. This is the product I'll be using. It's the Clairol Natural Instincts Semi-Permanent Hair Color. This is in the shade 5 or medium brown. Here is the packaging. I really like it, nice and sleek, definitely drew me in, and the color of this girl's hair is definitely what I'm going for. It literally looks exactly like my natural hair color, so hopefully that works. You can see it's showing you like the medium brown, dark brown, and like what you'll get at the end. And I definitely have like an old balayage in my hair, which has a lot of this color. So yeah, I think it's going to be a really pretty result. So I have a lot of hair, so I went ahead and got 2 boxes just in case. But yeah, I'm just so ready for a nice refreshment of my hair. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is inside. This is the Color Enhancing Cream, the Color Activator, the Brilliant Shine Conditioner, and here are the disposable gloves, which I appreciate. I do have on a cape. I got this from Amazon. I use it for when I cut my husband's hair since, you know, everybody's cutting their husband's hair at this point. But yeah, so it's super cheap. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. It's like a one size fits all, I think. So you can like button it up at the neck. I also wanted to mention that I put down a towel as well. You want to protect your floors and also have cleaning products nearby. Here is this color enhancing cream. Packaging is really nice. And these gloves. So here is the bottle 2 opened. So I'm going to go ahead and poke this, twist it. Now it's open. And now I'm going to go ahead and squirt this one into 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that top on and then going and stirring it together. This is what it looks like all mixed up. So I know it says to start at the roots, but I'm going to start at the bottom because this is virgin hair and this is not. So I want to make sure that this gets nice and colored. So I'm literally going to start just with this and putting it all on the bottoms here and literally working it all my way through. Smells really good. I have these clips that I'm going to use to divide up my hair as well. So I'm just going to section off the bottom half right here so I can make sure to get nice, even color as best I can. Just really working my fingers through. I'm going to start getting it on the roots as well. So yeah, I'm basically just going to be putting the product all over my hair, trying to get everything saturated. The sectioning definitely helped me get everything covered. You guys can see I started on the bottom, just went up to the roots, and just really tried to work all the product in there. I'd sort of scrunch my hair together, and then definitely rub it all together on the ends, and then on the back, I just made sure to put a ton so that way it felt nice and wet back there so that there was no patches that I missed. So yeah, it was pretty fun, like having to squirt it out of the bottle like some ketchup or mustard. And yeah, make sure to flip your head as well so you're getting to the base of your hair. And then once I got it all saturated, I went ahead and just twisted it up and put it up with those clips so it could be out of my way. And then you guys can see I got some stuff in my face. Whoops. So I just got a little makeup remover wipe and got that over. It went off really easily. So yeah, I made sure to get that all off so it didn't stain. And then I also got a little on my arm, so I did that too. Okay, so 15 to 20 minutes, leaving it in, and then I'll go wash it out. And while I was waiting for my hair to sit, I went ahead and cleaned up the counters as well. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. It definitely looks like it has developed well. It looks very even. I didn't see any patches or anything that I missed, so I'm going to hop in a shower. It says to rinse it completely clear and then go in with a conditioning treatment for like a couple minutes, and then you can rinse it fully out and then you are good to go. So I will go rinse this all out, condition, and come back.
Okay guys, so I figured I'd come into my office instead of the bathroom to talk to you guys about this real quickly. I seriously am so impressed. The color turned out so beautiful. It was such an easy process to apply. The smell was not obnoxious. It rinsed out very well. The conditioner that comes with this is so nourishing, feels so great, smells great, and the color is exactly what I wanted. So it definitely is true to the box. I can definitely recommend this Clairol Natural Instincts hair color. This is not sponsored in any way. This is just something that I wanted done my hair, so I went to a little research, found this in the store, and I wanted to film it for you guys. So I definitely recommend this. They had a lot of really pretty colors, and I just really like the idea of a hair color that is a lot more natural than some other products. Again, it's derived from natural ingredients. It's vegan, no ammonia or parabens. So I just think that is fantastic. I'm really impressed with the color. It's perfect. I wanted to match like the top roots, and it just definitely looks natural. It does not look like a hair color out of a box. So if you are a hairstylist and you think I did something wrong or whatever, I'm not claiming to be any expert. I just wanted to show you guys what I do. I mean, this is all available for us to all use in the store, so I'm not giving advice. The instructions are all in this box. I just followed them and wanted to show you guys the results. So yeah, no expert, but I save so much money by coloring my hair at home versus going into the hair salon and spending like $50 to $100 depending on your hair length or what you're doing. So I'm just really impressed. I'm not going to be going back. This is definitely going to be a thing that I touch up with my hair since I have a little bit of lightening from years ago on the bottom. But yeah, it's just seriously so cute, and I could not be happier. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. If you did, and I'll film more types of review videos like this, subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's just Life by Devyn. You can see a little bit more behind the scenes of my life. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.